Happy Monday, everybody. Hi, this is Sean from High Level, just coming at you on my road to recovery here, but I wanted to jump on today and talk to you about Smart Lists. So as some of you have already pointed out in the group, we have Smart Lists live, which is pretty exciting. So for those of you who are not familiar with Smart Lists are like an amazing upgrade to the contacts list. So if we look at the contacts list over here, as you can see, it's kind of a boring old sort of normal list of contacts, and you can do some kind of basic stuff to it, which is cool. But Smart Lists are a whole nother thing. So first off, you come in and you can start to see things like, well, what about different columns? Well, now I can come in and actually choose which column. So maybe I want to see the address column. Maybe I want to see the columns that represent custom fields, like services people are interested in. So all of a sudden I can come in here and I can actually start setting up exactly what columns show. So that's awesome. Then the next thing is maybe I want to actually see a different list of people here. So instead of just seeing just a whole list of everybody, I can come in and say, all right, well, let's add some filters here, right? So I want to see everybody who, let's see, has do not disturb on no. So I'm going to go ahead and have that filter. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in another filter where maybe the wildcard name is somebody with the word Bob in their name. Oh, look, anybody with Bob who's also do not disturb. And then I can come in and I can say, maybe, let me think about this here, whose source is the web. And all of a sudden I might realize, oh wait, I don't have anybody that matches that. So maybe I could take out a filter here. Oh, okay, cool. Look, here are two people who have do not disturb as no, and the source is the web. So all of a sudden I'm taking this contact list and I'm really filtering it down based on some really specific conditions. And so then, excuse me. So then maybe what I want to say is, you know what? This is my do not disturb web list. So I'm going to actually go ahead and save this as the do not disturb web list. Awesome, great. Save, awesome. So now look at this. So now I have this all list and I have the do not disturb web list. So the great thing is I can now target this list for all kinds of things. So for example, I can come in here and say, all right, I'm going to select everybody on this list, and I'm going to start to add a tag to those people. I'm going to remove a tag from those people, delete these people, export these people. So all of a sudden I can start to do a lot of bulk actions. Now the bulk actions are going to start to build out very quickly from here. So don't worry, there's a lot more bulk actions to come. And then the other cool thing is if I take another contact, let's say like Michael Scott, and I say, okay, great, do not disturb is no, and then I'm actually going to set the source of this person to the web and save it. What will happen is when I come back in and I look at my do not disturb web list, boom, Michael Scott just got added to my list. As the data underlying the list changes, it will automatically update the smart list. That's what makes it smart. Then the other cool thing is, let's say you wanted to look through everybody in a particular list, and I click down into the list. What you're going to see is right up here at the top, we starting with Michael Scott, but you can see one of three selected. So now we can hit next, next, and very quickly page through the smart list. So this could be like a list of people that you need to follow up with today, for example. And now it's very, very easy to go 1, 2, 3 right through the list. So there's a really huge upgrade on the contact list, as you can see. I think it's a huge upgrade to what's possible in the system. So I just wanted to get this out. We'll have an official training video coming out later in hopefully this week. But I think this is really exciting. It's probably the coolest change we've made. The other big thing here is over time, the goal is get rid of the contact list and then replace it with the smart list. So anyways, take a look, let us know what you think. A bunch of stuff's gonna roll out from here. The next updates to this is we'll have actually a filter, but right now it's just date added descending, but we'll add back that simple filtration from earlier. And then of course, all of the bulk actions. So bulk sending of email, bulk sending of text soon, those sorts of things will all start on this page. So love the feedback. Thank you everybody, and have a great rest of your day.